Bonjour, hola, annyeonghaseyo, hello. So for today's wonderful tips, I'm going to teach you 3 ways that you can learn languages online, and it's free and you can do it from your living room. Oh my god, ready? Let's go. Learning a language can be intimidating, right? Like maybe you're thinking, oh my god, I'm too old, or you're thinking, yo, my head too tough, or something like this, but it really is. It can be a lot more fun, a lot more engaging, a lot more exciting than you think, right? So I found 3 ways that you can learn. So you can learn it online from your living room, and it's free. Oh my god. So the first thing you can use is a tool called Busu, which is an online learning platform, and they have native speakers, so that if you want to learn Spanish or English, I think they have about over 30 languages, and you can connect with millions of native speakers of the different languages, and then you can learn together and practice together. So the first one is Busu. Alright, so now my next tool, the second one, is Duolingo, which is like my favorite one. It's this fun app. It's kind of like a game. It's hella addictive. You have challenges. You get to connect with other learners. You get to level up. So you start at like beginner and then you go all the way up to advanced. And it does this sort of like matching. You get to learn and speak and match your phrases. They have fun like word games. It's really, really fun. Duolingo. That's the second one and my favorite. I highly recommend it. Third one is Babbel. Babbel is like one of the first online language learning tools. I mean, I've known about it since like early 2000s, I think. And it also has like a lot of languages that you can choose from. So of course you have the popular French, Spanish, Korean, German, things like that. And then it has a free version, and then you can pay for their paid version, which is about $7 per month. So those are the 3 tools that you can use to learn a language online. There is Busu, Duolingo, Babbel. Check it out. I also have links in the video. You can just tap them when you look at the caption of this video. You tap the links and they're all active. It takes you straight to the app where you can learn. Ciao! And that's it for wonderful tips. Bye! Au revoir!